All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge that is as follows. Trapezoid WXYZ contains sides WX and YZ, which are equal to each other. I'm going to go ahead and put some of those lines there. What is the perimeter of WXYZ? What is the perimeter? So I underline that because I want us to be, always reminded of what we're actually looking for. All right, so we know that XY is 8, WZ is 16. But what else do we need to know? We need to know these other sides, what these are. Now, we've been told that this is 3 here, this from the top to the bottom. So what that means is if if this is 3, then between here and here, of course, is 8, and then that means we add another 4 here and here. Okay? 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So that makes this a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And so therefore the perimeter is going to be 16 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8, or in other words, 26 plus 8, which is 34. This is a nice, quick and easy one. Let me know if you got it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.